This is a season in the earth of a generation that dreams like Joseph. I will visit my people in the night seasons with encounters, much like I visited my servant Joseph with an encounter dream that defined his life. But it not only defined his life, it defined the life of my chosen people. Solutions that would avert death, solutions that would shift nations, solutions that would bring people from slavery into poverty are my people's inheritance in this season. So I say to you, my people, position your hearts to receive, position your hearts to see, and I will release over this generation marking to dream like Joseph.